There you go. Oh my god. Hello everybody, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys and today I am finally doing the KRIS AQUINO Life Kits review or the KRIS AQUINO times ever BILENA na review. So I ordered this at Beauty MNL last May 27 and today it's already June 11, so it took 2 weeks for the items to arrive. When I tracked this, napunta siya sa Bacolod City, sa Visayas, and my address is Bacolod, Lanao del Norte, here in Mindanao. So, ayun, it took 2 weeks for these products to arrive. So, I got 2 lipsticks here. It is still sealed. I got the shade Life and Love, and then I have the brow liner and brow mascara, and this one is in the shade Happy Taupe. As you can see, wala pa akong kilay and lipsticks kasi talagang kakarating ko lang from work and tinanggal ko lang yung kilay ko and lipstick ko tapos nag-film na ako agad kasi I can't wait to try this product. So, eto pala yung box niya. Ang ganda ng packaging, guys. It's very simple but elegant. Parang talagang Miss KRIS AQUINO talaga. And dito sa gilid, may nakalagay siya na love, love, love. I think that's her famous line. And eto na yung pangkilay, guys. Yung brow liner and brow mascara. So this retails for 275 pesos. And ayan yung packaging niya. My heart dito all over the place. And all over the place. All over the center. Tapos, andito yung pencil. Let's see. So, medyo maliit siya compared to other products. I mean, medyo konti lang. Pero sige lang, may brow mascara naman nakasama. Tapos, as you can see, it is triangular on the tip. I think the shade is perfect for me. Yung taupe. This one is Happy Taupe. Oh, ang ganda ng brush. Ng brow mascara, guys. Ang ganda ng one. Kasi maliit. I think, kasyang-kasya siya sa kilay ko. Okay. So, let's start muna applying this. So, since wala siyang brow spoolie, yun lang yung kulang dito. But, syempre, kailangan nilang i-sacrifice yung brow spoolie para magkaroon ng brow mascara. So, kakamayin ko na lang. So, usually, I always brush my brow hairs into place. Or kakamayin ko na lang. And then, let's apply this. Tingnan natin. Ito nga muna. So, ayan. Medyo hindi siya super klaro. Natatakot akong diinan eh. Baka kasi maputol. So, ayan yung Happy Taupe. Kumukulay naman siya, guys. Pero, hindi siya very opaque. There you go. Parang hindi nagmamatch yung Happy Taupe sa akin. So, let's see. Blend ko muna. Kumuha pala ako ng spoolie para ma-distribute ko properly yung brow product. So, tatapusin ko muna itong isang brow ko. Tapos, i-a-apply na natin itong brow mascara after. First impression, akala ko magmamatch yung taupe na shade sa akin. But, it's too light. Hindi bagay yung shade sa akin. I don't know why. Kasi, usually yung taupe na color sa ibang brand, like, sa Careline, okay naman yung taupe sa akin. Like sa NYX, okay naman yung taupe sa akin. Pero eto, hindi ko gusto yung shade on me. And also, yung formula niya, I think it's too dry. Kasi may tagging feeling. Ewan ko kung dahil sobrang makapalang talaga yung buhok ko sa kilay ko. Pero, I don't like it. Okay, so let's use the brow mascara muna. So, the brow mascara looks promising, lalong-lalo na yung one. So, tingnan natin. Baka ma-redeem ng brow mascara ang brown na ito. Blend muna natin para ma-distribute talaga yung brow mascara. Maganda sana yung idea nila, guys, na may brow liner tapos may brow mascara. It's travel friendly. Para ba yung on the go, kapag nagmamadali ka, andito na yung brow liner mo, andito na yung brow mascara mo. Pero so far, I'm not impressed. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Okay, so now naman, let's go to the lipsticks. And let's open this. So, it is also sealed with a plastic. Actually, very, very cute yung packaging nila. As in, very elegant. Simple but elegant. Yun lang talaga yung masasabi ko. So, these are the lipsticks. Yung KRIS Matte Lipstick. I have the shade Love and Life. I think they only have 2 shades. So, I got Life here. And then, I have Love. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo yung packaging, guys. I really, really love the packaging. Hindi siya mukhang ever BILENA, ha? And sobrang elegant niya tingnan. Hello, I like the packaging. Sana maganda yung product, ano. Okay, so let's do swatches. I'm going to swatch Life muna. So, dito ko sa swatch. Ooh, it looks promising. So, that is Life. Hala, ang ganda so far. So, this one is a nude pink lipstick. So, let's see. Alright, so this is Life, guys, on my lips. And I love this shade. Yes, it is matte. Mafe-feel mo na andyan yung lipstick mo kasi nga matte siya. But, okay siya. Hindi siya very drying. Hindi din siya super lightweight kasi mafe-feel mo talaga na andyan. Pero hindi siya mabigat sa feeling. Parang it's in the middle. Hindi siya lightweight. Hindi din siya mabigat sa feeling. But it feels moisturizing. Ayun. Ang komportable niya, guys. As in, super. Tapos, this one naman is Love. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. And ang bango niya, guys, ha? Although it's mild. It's very mild. But, it smells good. It smells nice. And here is Love, guys. Super duper bright red. I'm sorry for the horrible application, but yeah, that's the best I can do. First impression, I love the lipsticks. As in, by the way, these lipsticks retails for 245 pesos, and I can say worth it yung 245 pesos ninyo because one swipe goodness siya, guys. It is very opaque, very pigmented. It is matte, yes, but it's not drying. It feels moisturizing. It feels very comfortable on the lips. And I really, really like it. Although it's not lightweight, mafe-feel mo talaga na andyan siya kasi nga matte siya. Talagang it hugs your lips. Pero, hindi siya uncomfortable. As in, very, very comfortable siya. And I like it. First impression, I love this lipstick. Maganda siya, guys. As in, thumbs up siya. Pati yung packaging, winner na winner yung packaging niya, guys. Bongga! I love, love, love this! Okay, guys. So, for my final verdict, overall, sa tatlong products na na-try ko today, yung hindi ko lang talaga nagustuhan, as you can tell, kasi nasabi ko na talaga ganina, is the brow liner and the brow mascara. Kasi 275 pesos siya, and for me, it's not worth it. Yung shade pa lang, hindi okay sa akin. It's too light. And yung formula ng brow liner, it's too dry na feeling ko may tagging feeling on my... Okay, pwede ba yun? May tagging feeling on my brows. Ewan ko, maybe because my brow hairs are too thick. Yung strand ng buhok ko sa brows ko are really thick. Siguro ganon. Pero honestly, guys, mas gusto ko pa yung Daiso brow pencil ko and yung Careline na brow liner ko compared to this one. Ang gusto ko talaga kasi sa isang brow liner or a brow pencil is yung one swipe goodness na kahit light-handed lang ako, kumukulay na siya. Ito kasi kailangan mo talagang diinan para lang kumulay. So, ayun lang. And also, konti lang yung makukuha mo sa brow liner dito. And then, yung brow mascara, konti lang din. Tapos, 275 pesos. You can buy them separately from other brands. And you get full size for like 300 pesos. Okay na yon. But this is 275 pesos and you get tiny amounts for both. And hindi naman maganda yung formula. Maganda yung packaging, guys. Winner yung packaging. I love the packaging. Talagang wala akong marereklamo sa packaging. Yun nga lang yung products itself. Hindi ko nagustuhan. Yung brow mascara, okay yung brow mascara, guys. In fairness, maganda yung brow mascara. Yung shade lang talaga ang hindi okay sa akin. But yung brow liner, hindi ko talaga gusto. Like, it's too dry. Yun lang. First impression, yun lang yung thought ko. But for the lipsticks, these I'm going to give it thumbs up. Maganda talaga siya, guys. The packaging are so nice. I love, love, love the packaging of these lipsticks, guys. And what I like about the packaging is kung ano yung kulay dito, yan din yung kulay ng lipstick itself. Tapos yung shade is nakasulat talaga dyan, Life. And tingnan nga natin kung gaano karami yung makukuha mo. Hindi ko pa siya nakita kanina eh. And ayan, guys, marami ka ding makukuha na products for this. Instead of the brow mascara and the brow liner, go for the lipsticks kasi maganda siya. It is matte but it's not drying. And it is very opaque. As in, very opaque, very pigmented. And one swipe goodness siya. Ayun. Yun talaga. I love it. I love it. I love it. As in, wala akong may reklamo dito. 245 pesos and I'm going to give these lipsticks a thumbs up. So that's it guys for today's video. I know late na ako and I'm like the 100th YouTuber to do this review. But I still hope you enjoyed this video. And sana nakatulong din ako to those of you guys who want to order this and who are curious if these items are worth the try or worth buying. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any video requests or suggestions. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye! God bless everyone! Mwah!